Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida, and today we have one of my favorite products. But before I get into that, if you have questions, this is my phone number. You can call the store, you can talk to us. Also, that's our website. The product I'm going to show you right now will have a link at the bottom of this YouTube video if you want to see the price and if you want to order. So come on over here, what do we have? Well, you have one of my favorite products on one of my favorite trucks. I'm 2 for 2 here. As you know, I love Rams, and this is the new Ram here. And I gotta admit, this thing's one good looking truck. I love the interior. And this one has the new multi-function tailgate. So you got little barn doors on here. Now, if you go into the Retrax website, which is the RetraxOne here, this is the MX, they're gonna say, you cannot get this cover with this truck. And to a certain degree, they are correct. So how did we do it? Well, I didn't just take the brackets off that's on here and just throw them in the trash and say, oh, that's it, which I've seen some YouTubers do. Oh, it works if you take the brackets off. Well, let's go into all that and tell you why it doesn't work unless you do what we did today. So what we got here, this is the Ram 1500. It's a brand new 2023. You got the multi-function tailgate here. So this is the cover here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. This is the RetraxOne. Now, what's nice about this cover, you can lock it anywhere along the track. Now, this is the only company that lets you do that unless you buy an electric cover. So if you don't want to spend another $1,000, but you still want to lock it anywhere along the track, you can do this with this cover. Now, why is that good? Well, a lot of times you're going to put something in your bed that's very tall, and you can't put the cover on top of it. So you want to take the tailgate, close that, and you're going to use the cover to hold it in place. So while you're driving, it stays like this instead of going like this as you're driving. So that's what's really good about this. So now, this cover right here holds 300 pounds. Now, when I say 300 pounds, that is evenly distributed. So a 300-pound guy standing in the middle doing a Russian dance would not work. So keep that in mind. Now, let's go ahead and open it all the way up here. Now, if you look here, we got the drainage system. It is to the left and the right, not in the floor. I hate when people put them in the floor. You know why? Because when you put something in the bed, guess what you're going to do? You're going to knock the drainage system out. And what's nice about Ram, they put holes in there. I didn't even have to make new holes. I'm just using the existing factory holes. Now, if you also look in here, this has the cargo management system. You do not have to remove that. As you can see, the canister works. But if you look over here, what's this, Chris? You removed the brackets. What are we gonna do? That bracket's there for a reason. Yes, we removed it because that's the only way to put the cover in, but we didn't just leave nothing there. We put a better and stronger bracket there that's not as fat as this one here. So it will fit in there with the cover, but it will not hurt your bed because well, actually I would say, as you know, you probably don't know, if you're using the barn doors, let's go ahead and go into that right now. So we're gonna open this up. When they're open like this, the reason those brackets are there is to help accommodate the weight of this. So someone comes over here and, hey, I'm gonna lean on this, I'm gonna hang on it. Your kids hang on because he don't know. This, if he doesn't have that bracket there, it could actually bend your side of your bed. So there's a reason those brackets are there. Now, what's nice is the brackets we're giving you, actually, we're certainly not giving you, we'll give you more strength. It's gonna help with this. So it's gonna make it even better for you. So it's kind of a win-win. You get to put the cover in there and you have made your bed stronger for your barn doors here. I love this. I think, you know, this is a great setup. I'm a big Retrax guy. This does come with a great warranty. It's gonna come with a nice limited lifetime warranty. And that's great to have because a lot of covers don't have that long warranty. I think that they stand really, really good. Look how nice that closes up. See how nice and tight fit that is? Such a super clean look. I mean, take a look, Joel, here. Look how nice that is. Now, this is one of the covers, or actually it's one of the only covers that when you close it, it does seal the canister, so you do not have to worry about your water management system getting overloaded with too much water. Car washes, big storms like that. This company here, I think they have a great looking product because, you know, it has to not just work good, it has to look good. You got this good looking truck, you're not gonna put some, you know, ugly cover on. You want something that looks good. And as you look here, look how everything matches. This looks like this came from the factory for this truck. All in all, it's a great product. It is one of the medium priced products for rolling covers. It's not the most expensive, it's not the cheapest, it's right there in the middle. I think this is a great value, a great bang for the buck. Now, if you like this and you say, you know what, Chris, I'm sold. I want this product. How do I get it? I'm glad you asked. You can do what this guest did. Come to us here in the store. We'll install it for you. We'll put our 1-year labor guarantee on it, and if it's some products, including this one, we'll have a double the warranty, and I'll go into other details on that. Or we can ship it to you anywhere in the country. So if you live in Texas, you live in Hawaii, Puerto Rico, California, we can send it to you. We're even working on getting shipments to Canada. That's right, we're working on it. We're almost there. So if you live in Canada and you want to get it, give us a call and we'll see if we can do it for you. And the nice thing is, if you buy this from us, if you're having problems with the installation, we do installs here. We do it all the time. We can walk you through it. I know if you buy it from some guy who doesn't know how to install, you call them, they're like, we don't know what to do. Here, you call us, you ask for me, Chris, you can ask for Joel, who's behind the camera, Dave, our master tech. Any of us can help you with the installation instructions. Now, Retrax is a great company, and you can always call them, but sometimes it's hard to get them on the phone. Sorry, Retrax, it's the truth. But you can always get us on the phone. If you bought it from me, I will walk you through it. Now, unfortunately, if you did not purchase it from us, you do not get our help. So, I try to be nice about this, and people get mad at me because they bought it somewhere else, and sure enough, they're not being taken care of, and they call me, and they call me a lot, by the way, and they go, help me through this problem. And I said, look, I don't want to be mean, but you didn't purchase it from me. I only help the guests that I work with who purchase it from me. So keep that in mind. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in sunny South Florida, Margate. Oh, before I forget, like and subscribe. We appreciate that. And again, this is a review on the RetraxOne MX on a Ram 1500 with the multi-function tailgate. Thank you.